Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we'll be looking at some of the stocks that I am watching or in my watch list, and some of them I might have a positions as well. And the standard disclaimer: this is not financial advice. You need to consult with your own financial advisor before you take any decisions. And yeah, let's get started. The first one let's look at is Salesforce. So this one is given a breakout and it has a very strong momentum in the last 3 months. So if we look at it on a daily time frame, we can see that the stock is recently broken out of the previous resistance, and now it's trying to scale higher. Uh, that's the first one. If we look at it on a weekly time frame as well, we can see that the stock uh, has recently shown a good momentum, and on a weekly candle stick as well has shown a breakout. So the first one is Salesforce. The second one on the list is DocuSign. So DocuSign, it has given a breakout on a daily time frame, but the breakout seems to be weak and it's retesting a zone that it has tested multiple times, which will become clearer when we look at it on a weekly time frame just to reduce the noise. Uh, yeah, let's look at it first on a weekly time frame. Yeah, so we can see that this price range has been there's a lot of price discovery that is happening at this price range. So you can see a good 5 or 6 times that it has tried to break out of these levels, and it has been sold out every time. Right now it is again trying to enter this, but this time the strength of the candles looks very good. This one faded out even before entering into the previous price discovery zone, but this one is testing the limits again. And we can also see that there will be DocuSign will be entering into the S&P 400 mid cap index, so there will be some buying thing coming into the stocks as well, because the indices that track the S&P 400 will try to buy up, so there will be some buying pressure coming in as well because of the inclusion into the index on October 11. So that is one positive. And also we need to think why it is being included in the index, because it meets certain criteria or performance and liquidity over a period of time, and that's the reason why it is being included into the index. Now, as retail investors and traders as well, we need to behave like the index. Like index has a strong bias towards companies that are doing well, and that has a strong bias towards strength, and it weeds out any company that doesn't perform after getting into the index. Suppose if DocuSign gets into the index and doesn't perform well, it will automatically get smaller and it will get pushed out of the index and will be replaced by another one. It's the same way that we have to behave as well. And as if you're taking short-term trades, if it goes in our direction like this, we need to hold on to the winners and ride the winners. But however, if it fails to break out and moves further down and starts making higher lows, we need to exit the position for a small loss. Now if we rinse and repeat this process of riding the winners and exiting for a small loss, we will be an overall profitable trader or investor in the market. So DocuSign is another one that we can add to our watch list. The next one that has been doing really well as well is eBay. So this is on a weekly time frame. Let's look at it on a daily time frame as well. So this has been showing significant strength and momentum in the last 3 or 4 months, and it was also trying to retest one of the previous highs or the resistance zones. As you can see, it has formed a nice base and it is broken out and is scaling new highs. So we can say like DocuSign is in a phase like this. It is trying to emerge out of a large base. So DocuSign can also behave like eBay, because once all the selling pressure is gone, right now when we look at DocuSign as well, you can see there is a significant selling pressure that is coming in once after the breakout as well, because all those reinvestors and traders who got in at a very high price point are trying to sell out now, and then close their positions and then are looking for new trades. So once all the selling pressure disappears, there's nothing that can stop the stock from moving higher. So this is the reason why a lot of traders chase 52-week highs or all-time highs, and also when they also chase breakouts like this when there is a large base formed and it is trying to emerge out of that base. So that is also one thing that we need to keep in mind. eBay is also showing like making higher highs and higher lows on a weekly time frame as well. When we look at it, it is showing very strong momentum. Now if we, yeah, that's eBay. The other one on the list is Shopify. So let's look at it on a daily time frame first. So it's also trying to break out, but it hasn't broken out yet. So if we cross this price level, that is around 82, then we can look for a potential entry or a potential breakout signal. So this is yet to break out. We need to watch out for the breakout, if the breakout will happen or not. Shopify is another one. The other one is Illumina. So this has given a short-term breakout, and it is trying to retest the previous resistance that it has tested multiple times. So if you look at this zone or this entire zone, you can see that it has been tested multiple times. Now we need to wait and watch if this is taken out convincingly. Yeah, so I'll wait and watch. It's still in my watch list, and I'll wait and watch if this breakout indeed happens. So that is Illumina. The final one on the list is MTTR, Matterport. So we had a huge gap up earlier, and now we are like testing we're trying to break out again from this high. So it's forming a very short base, but it's showing some significant strength. But yeah, if we break out of these levels, we can expect some strong momentum and strong buying pressure to come into this one. Yeah, so this is also another one to watch out, or to one to keep in the watch list. Please do let me know if you like this kind of format where I go through chart setups, and please do share your feedback in the comments. And please also let me know if you want me to cover any other things or want me to cover any other educational posts on this channel, and I'll be more than happy to share what I know from trading in the markets over these years. Please do consider subscribing to this channel, and like this video as well. Thank you for watching.